I have made 165 US dollars in less than 5 minutes doing nothing at all. Again, doing nothing at all, I have earned that amount passively by selling digital downloads. In this video, I'm going to show you what I have sold as a digital product to earn that amount, how do I sell them, and finally I'm going to talk about few marketplaces where you can join to start selling easy digital downloads to earn passive income as I do. So what do I mean by easy digital downloads? You can start selling PDFs, eBooks, data, social media post templates, graphic design templates. You can sell codings and the options are limitless. So without further ado, let me show you the products and the details what I have sold to earn that amount. Then we are going to talk about the marketplaces you can join. So as you can see here, I have received 2 emails from Buy Me a Coffee. So let me open up the first email. You can see I have sold 4,000 plus Canadian Shopify store links at 10:39 p.m. yesterday. Now, if I take you to the second email, you can see I have sold 200k plus Shopify store links at 10:43 p.m. yesterday. So in between 5 minutes, I have made both of the sales. If I take you to my Buy Me a Coffee page, you can see for the first order, I have received 40 US dollars. And for the second order, I have received 125 US dollars, and combining them, I have earned 165 US dollars. So as I have mentioned, I did nothing at all to earn the money. So how the platform works? So basically on Buy Me a Coffee or any other digital downloading websites, you have to add a listing by uploading your digital products once, and then you have to drive the potential customers on those products. And then if the customer finds interest on your product, they are going to purchase the product. They're going to place the order by making the payment, and automatically these platforms are going to send them automated emails containing their desired files which you are selling, and then the customers are being able to download the files and use them, and on the other side you are receiving the payment of that product. So this is how the platforms works, and this is what exactly happened there. So I did nothing at all while I have made these sales and I got the money. Now if you want to see the exact listings, you are going to be amazed like how this product could be sold. So if I show you the first listing that I have sold for 40 US dollars, just take a look. I have got a few details here with one image and a very basic details here. And if you just open up this file sample, you can see what kind of data I have provided to the client to earn that money. Just take a look. Very basic Shopify store links. So if I cross this out, let me take you to this listing. You can see a very basic image, then the title, then the amount. Then I have got a very basic description with some disclaimer, and then here is the product data. Just take a look, some Shopify store links. That's it. So if you are still curious about the actual data that I have sent to the customer, you can purchase them with a discounted price and resell. Here you go. This is it. So these are only the store links of a platform, specifically Shopify. I am selling them here. I am making money and clients are purchasing. It is working. These files have demand. So basic files you can sell, right? I am not the only person who is making money by following this. So actually, I have uploaded videos 1 month ago regarding digital products and the Buy Me a Coffee platform, both of these videos. And I'm going to attach this video link into the video description for your easy access again. So someone just followed these videos and made passive income for the first time ever in their life. Just take a look from Mullah Avir, one of my fellow brother from my country. He made for the first time ever, he made his passive income, which was 10 US dollars. He made this post on 4th of May. And if you just take a look at another post, 8th of May, he made 70 US dollars. So it is doable. It is possible. Please take action and you will get results. So either you'll get negative results or positive results. If you don't take action, nothing gonna happen. Now it's time to talk about the marketplaces where you can get digital products ideas and where can you sell digital products. So first of all, I'd love to mention Etsy, which is one of the largest digital product marketplace where you can find ideas about digital products. You can sell digital products itself. So I am selling a few. So if you're interested, I'm gonna make videos about Etsy as well in future. If you just open up all of these options, you are gonna get ideas about digital products that you can. Etsy is one platform where you can join. Then I'd love to mention Cozy, where you can start selling digital products. It could be a PDF, it could be a data, it could be design items, it could be codings, and any other digital product that you can sell through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and etc. And the second platform that I'd love to mention, which is Gumroad, where you can start putting your digital downloads and start making money. Then I have got Coffee, which works like Buy Me a Coffee, and you can start selling digital products on this platform as well. Then I have got Easy Digital Downloads platform, where you can start selling your PDFs, ebooks, softwares, or let's say extensions, etc., etc., and you can start making money. Then I have got DPD, where you can sell your PDF files, ebooks, and other digital products containing graphics, videos, etc. Then I have got Sendall, another platform where you can start selling digital products. Then I've got Canva. I would love to mention Shopify, sell products through Kajabi. You can sell products through Thinkific, and there are many other marketplaces where you can join. Some of the platforms are going to be completely free to join and start selling, and some of the platforms you might have to spend some money. So basically, find information about the marketplaces. I'm going to attach all of these marketplaces links into the video description for your easy access. Find information, get the one that's suited best for your need, and then start adding your digital products and start selling. So I have shown someone else making money by following my videos, so you might be the next person who is going to make money by selling digital products as well. And if you need further videos regarding digital downloads, digital products, and digital platforms, including these, then please let me know by commenting below. So I believe we have got enough information that you needed, enough motivation that you needed to get started, guys. So again, I'd love to mention, I sometimes tell like if you simply watch videos and if you don't actually follow along, if you don't take action, there is no point you can get any success in future. But if you at least try, either if you don't get if you don't get positive results, you will get negative results. It would work as your lesson, which you can use for the next effort, which is going to eventually help you become successful. So this is it, guys. This was the video about. So again, I am selling a very basic file and making money. So please start selling digital products and make money passively. So I believe you have found this video informative, helpful, and importantly motivational enough to put some effort and make money. And if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in near future. I have to see you in my next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.